My name is Anne Marie Morris. I am the music specialist at Cole Elementary School. I went to Belmont in 1991 to 1995. My high school choral director graduated from Belmont, and she really pushed me to apply at Belmont. And my time here was incredible and fabulous. Just all the professors and all the training I received here really prepared me to go into the music education field. And it really was when I was student teaching that I fell in love with elementary. I really thought I would teach high school choir, and I got into it and really loved elementary kids. My time at Belmont was life-changing. Professors, in the end, became my friends. They were people who challenged me to be the best music educator I could be. And I feel like I've taken that into my teaching, that I'm able to hold a standard for my students of excellence, but also support who they are and support their dreams. So in the fall, I was recognized as a CMA Music Teacher of Excellence, and our dinner was hosted here at Belmont. After that event, we had a conversation about, let's do an experience at Belmont. I felt like what a great experience for my students to meet Dr. Ames and to workshop with him and to get that experience. I'm proud to be in Metro Schools and to have that background with Belmont and still partner with them. Maybe some of them would want to come here one day.